If you're a digital marketer or business owner, you already know the importance of effective advertising. With the rise of digital marketing trends, paid traffic, and the need to increase your online sales, it's essential to leverage every tool at your disposal. And that's where Ad Creative AI comes in. Today, we'll be taking a look at how businesses can use Ad Creative AI to create effective ads that generate results. So stick around till the end as we show you how to optimize your advertising campaigns and improve ROI using one of the best tools in the market. What is Ad Creative AI? Ad Creative AI is a tool that helps businesses generate ad ideas, copy, and visuals that resonate with their target audience. It uses machine learning algorithms to analyze large sets of data and create ads that are more likely to convert. It looks at factors such as ad format, language, imagery, and target audience to identify patterns that are likely to resonate with your audience. Based on this analysis, Ad Creative AI generates a range of ad variations that are designed to appeal to your target audience. These ad variations may include different messaging, imagery, or formats, and can be easily customized to suit your specific needs. One of the biggest advantages of Ad Creative AI is that it allows you to create multiple ad variations quickly and efficiently. This means you can test a range of ad variations to see which one resonates best with your target audience, without having to spend a lot of time or resources on ad creation. In addition, Ad Creative AI allows you to test your ad variations in real time, so you can quickly identify which ones are generating the most results. This means you can make adjustments to your ad campaigns on the fly based on real-time data and insights. Developing an ad creative brief. Before creating ads with Ad Creative AI, it's essential to develop an ad creative brief. A clear and comprehensive brief provides Ad Creative AI with the necessary information to create ads that resonate with your target audience and achieve your marketing objectives. Here are some key elements to consider when developing an ad creative brief. 1. Objectives. Clearly define your marketing objectives for the ad campaign. Are you looking to increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, generate leads, or boost sales? Having clear objectives will help Ad Creative AI create ads that are aligned with your goals. 2. Target audience. Identify your target audience and their demographics, interests, behaviors, and pain points. Ad Creative AI uses this information to create ads that speak to your target audience and resonate with them. 3. Key messages. Identify the key messages that you want to communicate to your target audience. What sets your product or service apart from the competition? What problem does it solve for your customers? Make sure your key messages are clear, concise, and compelling. 4. Tone and voice. Determine the tone and voice that you want to use in your ads. Are you trying to be humorous, serious, or inspirational? Do you want to use a formal or informal tone? Make sure your tone and voice are consistent across all ad variations. 5. Branding. Identify how you want to incorporate your branding into your ads. This includes elements such as your brand name, logo, colors, and tagline. Make sure your branding is consistent across all ad variations. Creating and testing ad variations. Once you have developed an ad creative brief, it's time to create ad variations using Ad Creative AI. Ad Creative AI can generate a range of ad variations based on the information provided in the Ad Creative brief. It's essential to create multiple variations to test which ads are most effective. When creating ad variations, consider the following. 1. Ad format. What ad format will you use? Will it be a static image, video, carousel, or another format? 2. Headline. What headline will you use? How will it grab the attention of your target audience? 3. Copy. What copy will you use? What key messages will you convey to your target audience? 4. Visuals. What visuals will you use? How will they reinforce your key messages? 5. Call to action. What call to action will you use? What action do you want your target audience to take? Once you've created multiple ad variations, it's important to test them to determine which ads are the most effective. Testing can be done using A/B testing, where 2 ads are shown to a small audience to determine which ad performs better. The winning ad can then be shown to a larger audience to drive more results. Analyzing ad performance. Analyzing ad performance metrics is an essential step in optimizing your advertising campaigns and achieving maximum ROI. By tracking metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and cost per click, you can identify which ad variations are performing well and make adjustments to improve the performance of your campaigns. One of the first metrics you should track is click-through rate, CTR, which measures the percentage of people who clicked on your ad after seeing it. A high CTR indicates that your ad is resonating with your target audience and generating interest in your product or service. Another important metric to track is conversion rate, which measures the percentage of people who took a specific action after clicking on your ad, such as making a purchase or filling out a lead form. By tracking conversion rates, you can identify which ad variations are driving the most conversions and optimize your campaigns accordingly. Cost per click, CPC, is another important metric to track, as it measures the cost of each click on your ad. By tracking CPC, you can identify which ad variations are generating the most results for the lowest cost, and adjust your campaigns accordingly to achieve maximum ROI. In addition to tracking these metrics, it's important to regularly test and optimize your ad variations to improve their performance. Ad Creative AI makes it easy to create a range of ad variations quickly and efficiently. So take advantage of this and test different messaging, imagery, and formats to see what works best for your target audience. It's also important to monitor your ad performance metrics over time and adjust your campaigns as needed. By regularly analyzing your metrics and making adjustments to your campaigns, you can optimize your advertising efforts and achieve better results over time. Benefits of Ad Creative AI. Let's take a closer look at some of the key benefits of using Ad Creative AI for your advertising campaigns. First, Ad Creative AI allows you to create high-quality ad content quickly and efficiently. Instead of spending hours brainstorming ideas and creating ad variations, Ad Creative AI can generate a range of options for you in just a few clicks. This means you can spend more time focusing on other aspects of your advertising campaign, such as targeting and optimization. Ad Creative AI helps you to optimize your advertising campaigns for maximum ROI. By creating multiple ad variations and testing them in real time, you can quickly identify which ads are performing well and which ones need improvement. This means you can allocate your advertising budget more effectively and make adjustments to your campaigns to ensure you are getting the best possible results. Ad Creative AI also helps you stay ahead of the competition. By using advanced machine learning algorithms to generate ad variations, you can create ads that are more relevant and engaging than those of your competitors. This means you can stand out in a crowded marketplace and attract more attention from potential customers. If you're running ads on Shopify, Ad Creative AI can be especially helpful. By creating winning ads that are tailored to your Shopify store, you can increase your sales and grow your business. With Ad Creative AI, you can easily create ad variations that highlight your products, promotions, and unique selling points. Finally, Ad Creative AI allows you to scale your advertising campaigns more easily. Whether you're looking to expand your reach or target new audiences, Ad Creative AI can help you to create a range of ad variations that are tailored to your specific goals. This means you can launch multiple ad campaigns simultaneously without having to spend a lot of time or resources on ad creation. Ad Creative AI Best Practices. So, now that we've discussed some of the benefits of using Ad Creative AI, let's move on to some practical tips for getting the most out of this powerful tool. Make sure you're using high-quality data to guide your ad creation process. This means analyzing past successful campaigns and identifying patterns that are likely to resonate with your target audience. The more data you have, the more accurate and effective your ad variations will be. Secondly, be open to experimenting with different ad formats and messaging. Ad Creative AI allows you to create a range of ad variations quickly and easily, so take advantage of this and test different approaches to see what works best. Finally, make sure you are tracking your ad performance metrics and using this data to optimize your campaigns. By analyzing metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and cost per click, you can identify which ad variations are generating the most results and make adjustments accordingly. In conclusion, Ad Creative AI is a powerful tool that can help businesses create effective ads that generate results. By using Ad Creative AI to create high-quality ad content quickly and efficiently, businesses can optimize their advertising campaigns for maximum ROI and stay ahead of the competition. By following these tips and strategies, you can leverage Ad Creative AI to achieve better results with your advertising efforts and grow your business exponentially. If you need any assistance setting up Ad Creative AI, don't hesitate to reach out to us for help. Our team of marketing experts at Spreadify Marketing is always ready to cater to all your digital marketing needs.